with noble strain, to honor fools who share our lane. O asphalt stage, O concrete bed, prepare thyself for dickhead spread.
Behold the flock, the blessed few, who think the road was built for you.
With vacant eyes and knuckles white, you wander forth into the fight. A limit posted clear and plain, ignored like thoughts inside your brain. You drift, you dawdle, you hesitate, then slam the brakes. Yes, that's just great. Oh, Dashcam rolls, a witness true to every dumb thing people do. You indicate, of course you don't. You look before you turn, you won't sing loud. You cames of cursed design of dickheads thinking I'm doing fine. Each clip confirms what we all know. You shouldn't have a license, bro. A hero at the merge appears, accelerating out of spite and fear. Two lanes become one, but not for me. He floors it like a wounded bee. The zipper weeps, the logic dies as ego swells to operatic size. He cuts you off, then flips you off as if you're wrong, remarkable. Oh, Dashcam rolls, oh plastic god, you catch them being thick as sod. They tailgate close at 85, then act surprised they're still alive. Sing horns and brakes and shout, it swears of dickheads lost in traffic prayers. Please let me win this race to nowhere fast. A sacred glow upon the face, scrolling TikTok, 10 cars back in space. The light is green, the world stands still, because Chad's liking reels against his will. Behind him rage builds brick by brick until one